We got a Reese's one. You want to try it? It's actually really good. You want to taste it? Here you go.
It's one with the sausage on it.
Put your hands up. Okay, here you go. To filming on my GoPro, and we made it to the mirror that I wanted to take a picture at. Hey brown girl, you're beautiful. Hopefully I can get a spectacular picture and my pose is not awkward. You don't have to take my picture?
I'm taking the picture?
Can you take the picture of me?
Okay.
You could just like snap as much as you want, like in motion. Ada, are you good over here too?
No.
You gotta get over here.
What?
Turn it. Turn your camera. Like,
So,
look at the screen and see what you see in it. Yeah. Do you see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get ready?
Are you getting like the whole thing?
Yeah. The whole of you and everything.
Get closer to this.
Hold on. Switching angles.
Oh, that was stuck. These don't move? You're like, come on, get one, get it a shot.
Cocaine, but it's something like.
When the money calls. After the Trap Museum, it's on JJ's Fish and Chicken. Is this like a hood spot?
Hood delicacy right here.
Hood delicacy, JJ's Fish and Chicken. All right. Oh, it's like a chicken spot.
Yeah, I got like fried fish. You eat that, right?
Yeah, it's the same as the chicken spot in New York. I thought they was talking to him over there. I'm like, oh no.
They was arguing.